One stop waiting for the right time. Life won't slow down for your doubts. Perfection is the enemy of progress. The longer you wait, the farther your dreams drift away. 2. Silence your inner critic. Your thoughts lie to you more often than you think. Don't let negative self-talk define your reality. You become what you repeat to yourself daily. 3. Life doesn't wait for you. Do what you have to do. The world never pauses to wait for you, even if you're sad, depressed, or broke. Life always goes on, and if you don't move with it and achieve what you have to, you may get left behind. So always make a daily consistent effort towards actualizing your goals. 4. Focus on what you can control. The world isn't fair. Accept it. Control your habits, mindset, and actions. Everything else, let it go. 5. Optimize your environment. The quickest way to change your life is by changing your environment. Your physical environment and your social environment. To unfuck your life, start by cleaning your room.